custom aluminum shifter for the drag car. Had an issue where under power shifting and flat foot shifting, the linkages would want to pop off the ball and socket system. So 3D printed plastic bushings, took an RSX aluminum shifter and converted it. Took this, flipped this around so that it's facing this way now, so the linkages move in the right direction. All of this was done with scrap aluminum in an afternoon. Lathed up the correct size piece for this, so that's on there. These are all bolted on. Set the length of this so that reverse is all the way over here, and that the neutral position of the shifter, that is actually now first gear. It's extremely notchy. So there's no slop in it anymore, and fully adjustable. You can see that it's shifted way back, no pun intended. It is sitting about 4 inches back more, which means you can have more bent elbow and more strength to put into it instead of reaching for anything. Did that by doing nut certs into the chassis, bolts with spacers underneath them. It doesn't move. You can pick the car up by that thing. But again, just tossed together in an afternoon to solve a quick problem. It was pretty cheap to do. It makes a huge difference. The main issue we had was this would pop off, also under power shifting. Again, another ball and socket. So what we did is we modified the selector, removed the ball and socket, welded a nut to the back of it, made an aluminum bushing, and now that is completely solid and is not going anywhere. In fact, we got a couple of spare ones here to do the same thing too. So we should be offering those